This is my new favorite salad to make. It's quick, it's healthy, and it's freaking delicious. Ciao everyone, my name is Ben and welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. I'm going to share with you guys a super quick and easy recipe to make. It's an Italian one with Italian flavors. And the best part, it consists of only 6 ingredients total. You got some tomatoes, you got some fresh basil or dried basil if you don't have any, some extra virgin olive oil, make sure please that it's a good one. And for the dressing, all you need is some red wine vinegar, fresh garlic, and salt. An optional ingredient you can add is black pepper, but it's not necessary if you don't want. I tried this recipe a couple weeks ago, and now I've been making it every day since. And once you try it, you'll understand why. It is really delicious. All you gotta do is follow these simple steps. First, we're gonna start off with the dressing. Get a bunch of garlic cloves, 4, 5, 6, as many as you'd like. No need to crush them or cut them up. This is just gonna be using to infuse the flavor into the dressing. You just wanna expose their flavors. We get them into a bowl, and we add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt right on top. The last ingredient, red wine vinegar. We're gonna add as much as you want, usually between 5 to 7 tablespoons, but really be generous with it. Now give it a very good mix so the salt dissolves as much as possible. Now leave it on the counter covered for at least 20 minutes. The flavor of the garlic is gonna infuse into the vinegar and it's gonna give it a really wonderful taste. Now if you wanna go crazy, leave it even longer, a day, 2 days in the fridge. You're gonna get a nice pickled garlic which you can add on top of your salad. Now when you're ready to eat, this is when you prepare the rest. You get your tomatoes and you peel them. Yes, you peeled your tomato skin off. I'd suggest about 3 or 4 for this recipe. Now slice the tomatoes into thin slices and make sure to get rid of that stem because no one likes that hard part in their mouth. Place the tomato slices in a deep plate. Now get some basil, fresh or dried, ideally fresh, and rip it up. Evenly distribute it on the plate and crack some freshly cracked black pepper. That one's optional. Get your dressing, give it a quick little mix, and now pour it over a metal strainer directly over your tomatoes. Give a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and make sure it's even, and then a gentle and light toss. And when it's done, it should look something like this. That smells incredible. The tomatoes, they absorb the dressing incredibly well. The flavor of the garlic really gives a punch. The red wine vinegar complements the entire thing. Ah, perfect. Like I promised you, this was a quick and simple recipe. And if you have any feedback on it, let me know what you think in the comment section. Give this video a big smashing thumbs up. Now, whoa, before you go, I have one little tip for you. If you leave the dressing to sit for 1, 2, 3 days, what's gonna happen is the garlic is actually gonna pickle in the vinegar and it's gonna be incredibly delicious to eat even on its own. Now, if you add that on top of your salad, oh, delicious, delicious, delicious add-on. Anyways, that's the tip, that's the video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you thought in the comment section. Give this video a big boom, thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Tons and tons of incredible recipes are coming out all the time. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna be making vinegar right here at home and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So make sure to subscribe. Thanks so much and I'll see you in the next one.